Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube platform Bhavya Insights. My name is Bhavya. This video is really important for all the HR aspirant candidates, whether they are an entry level HRs or they already have some sort of experience into human resource and now planning to switch to good opportunities. I receive many references on LinkedIn through messages that we are unable to find jobs into human resource because by the time we go on naukri.com and apply, already hundreds of candidates have already applied on those jobs. I understand how frustrating this can be. So this time I have found out on LinkedIn around 1000 plus active job openings posted in past 1 week on Pan India. We all know that in human resource already there are very few jobs, but these 1000 jobs available in Pan India belong to all category from HR executive, HR manager to vice president HR. Even some of the openings contains HR internships also. The best part is that many of these jobs have no applicants or very few applicants. So this is a golden opportunities for all of you to find these jobs and apply on these jobs. But before I show you how to find and apply on these jobs, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with anyone you know who is looking for a job into HR domain. Your support helps me to create more content like this. Now let me show you step by step how to find these jobs on LinkedIn. You have to follow these steps really carefully. So first, log in into your LinkedIn account, and if you don't have one, create an account. It's free and easy. Once you open your LinkedIn account, just click on Jobs tab showing next to My Network. After clicking, just move your cursor to search bar and type only HR. No specific designation or location and click enter. Now you can see there are more than 10,000 jobs available at Pan India level for HR professionals, which includes internships, entry level HR jobs and senior level HR jobs. Now to select fresh and active openings, we will sort the date, and from date posted, we will select past week. Now you can see here that more than 1000 openings available. Just a click on this. Now you can see here are more than 1000 openings available. Just click on this. You can either scroll down to check on each opening's relevance to your profile, or again come to filter experience level and select specific position. Here I'm first taking HR internship. So we have 100 plus results for this. I'll click on this. So all active HR internships showing to us from Pan India level. Now I will open some positions to review. As you can see, there is just 3 days this internship posted and only 70 applicants have applied on this. Now next I'm clicking on this Chandigarh location internship. It's posted before 17 hours and no one has applied on this yet. Now scroll down a bit. As you can see now that there is Paisa Bazaar internship also available based at Gurgaon. It is posted 6 days back and yet no one has applied on this. The position is of talent acquisition and this company's name on resume can open more opportunities ahead. But still no one has applied. Now let's check this Mumbai based internship. Again here, even after 2 days no candidate has applied. So scope is huge comparative to other job portals, and recruiters are actually very active on LinkedIn also. This women internship by Razorpay for women who were on break can join if they match the requirements. But before applying to any of these internship or further jobs I show, please read the description properly so you can check these as per your desired location and requirement. Now I'm selecting experience level to entry level, and now you can see that there are more than 600 plus jobs available, and I'm reviewing first job. So you can see that it's posted 6 days ago and only 100 applicants applied on this. So for even entry level profile, scope is very high to get interview calls and get selected. Next job again 2 days ago posted and 0 applicants have applied. Here you can see the jobs from very good companies like Jubilant and Frankfin, Swiggy and many other. If you scroll down a bit, match your desired profile with these opportunities. Don't miss out them because the competition is really less over here. Now I'm again changing experience level to associate and mid level, and this shows around 900 plus openings. Again, you check which HR openings are matching with your profile and share your resume. And even you can also connect with the company's HRs on LinkedIn. You should also explore more filters like specific company, you need remote work or work from office. And once you click all the filters tab, there will be more options. So now you come to know that how to find these jobs on LinkedIn step by step. So don't miss out these opportunities, because every day new opportunities will land and you should be the first candidate to grab these opportunities. Don't forget to share this video whosoever is aspiring their career into human resource, and subscribe Bhavya Insight. If there any particular job opening that you're searching for but you're not able to find any jobs, you can mention that in the comment section and I will create a similar video to find those jobs from different portals, maybe from LinkedIn, from Naukri, or from different portals. So don't forget to mention your designation if you're struggling not to get any job in the comment section. All the best for your future job hunts.